I've noticed that there are three common behaviors when using a smartphone. This, and this. Phones have become the tool that you'll be using most throughout the day. They're fragile, so a case is usually the first accessory you'll buy, even if the beauty of the design goes out the window. And whatever is not protected, you'll have to be wiping off constantly because it looks gross. I've always wished there was a better way, for the case to actually blend with the phone, or for a material that didn't look horrible after a few weeks of use. If anything, I'd say OnePlus is the only company that has gotten a few of these things right, and their last edition proves that we're heading in the right direction. I'm Jaime Rivera with Pocketnow, and Dear OnePlus, can we Sandstone everything? The holidays and CES really made it hard for us to get this video out to you. We actually filmed the unboxing experience at CES given the hectic travel I had to do. What you get in the box is pretty much the same standard we've come to expect from OnePlus. A decent-sized box with premium materials, the phone up in center, literature behind that includes a SIM ejector and transparent plastic case, a dash charger at the bottom with a USB-C cable. Now, even if this phone was a one-time thing that sold out in minutes, there's a major reason why I still chose to run this video, and it's really kind of a request. Like, Dear OnePlus, could you do this more often, or hey, even permanently? I mean, look at this phone. This is really cool. The Sandstone white OnePlus 5T is simply gorgeous. The finish appears to be a matte anodization of the aluminum, but it's really a finish achieved by painting and baking the shell numerous times. The result is this paper-like feel that's got a few advantages. For starters, this finish isn't prone to smudges, as you'll notice on standard matte finishes. There's also a minor grip to it, solving the slippery issues that other phones provide. Best of all, it's different. It's unique. It reminds me of the sandstone finish of the OnePlus 1 or the OnePlus 2 that was ditched for aluminum for reasons I don't understand. And last but not least, I'm gonna have to agree with Marquez in that this red accent on the mute switch is genius. Seriously, all phones should do this. And then that leads me to my second point. I love how these OnePlus covers complement the phone. Someone actually gave me the tip to use the Sandstone cover, and I have to agree, this sort of furniture-like blend looks very elegant. And everything else, this is a OnePlus 5T in absolutely every aspect. So I'd recommend you watch my full review for details. Oxygen OS 4.7.6, still on top of Android 7.1.1, which should change to Oreo soon. The same fluidness, the bare and useful approach to Android that I've praised in our previous videos. All in all, the OnePlus 5T continues to be one of my favorite phones of 2017. All we need now is for the company to do more of this as part of its unique trademark. The question left is if this approach will age well over time, so stay tuned for our After the Buzz video as we'll definitely be covering this soon. How about you? What do you think about the Sandstone white OnePlus 5T? Chime in the comments, and while you're at that, make sure you follow us on social media and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, or on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.